Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As requested on my Instagram, I'll be painting roses and showing you how I paint these. Follow along and paint with me. In today's painting, I'll be using paper from Baohong. This is 300 GSM and 100% cotton paper. I'll be using one of my favorite brushes from Silverbrush. This is the Black Velvet in size 4. For paint, I'll be using this palette from Art Philosophy, and this is the Pastel Dreams palette. I'll also be using paint tubes from Daler-Rowney and Rembrandt. To paint my roses, I'll be using this colour, Crimson. I'm just going to add some to my palette so then I can dilute it for later use. First, start off with the centre of the rose and painting little C shapes. I like to keep it loose so it doesn't have to be an exact C. Next, I'm going to dilute that same colour and continue painting C-shaped petals around the centre of the rose. Make sure the petals aren't too dry because we want to layer with colour later. Keep painting petals until you get the size you want. Now taking that same colour, without diluting it, add colour to the inner edges of each petal. This is going to give your rose a little bit more depth. As you can see, the colour's not blending in very well. This is because the petals are a little too wet. You can always take a dry brush and take some of that water out. But I'm just going to keep layering. Now to create this rose pattern, I am going to paint a few more roses. I want to make the rose a little darker towards the center to make it more realistic. So I'm just going to go back into the rose I did before and add some more pigment. I feel like adding some orange roses, so I'm going to use this colour from Rembrandt. I've actually transferred the colour into pans. I've now decided I want to paint some roses that fall off the page, so I'm just using an old scrap piece of paper to put underneath. I forgot to put masking tape around the border, so this is my next alternative. Now time for some leaves. I'm going to be using the colour olive green. Here I'm just painting some very simple leaves. There's not really any particular placement, I'm just placing the leaves randomly. You can let some of the leaves float off the page just like the roses. And there we have it, the rose pattern. You can try this out with different colours. I hope you liked this little mini tutorial. Let me know down in the comments below on what you would like to see next.